Looking for a smartwatch that won't break the bank but still delivers all the features you need to stay connected and healthy? Finding the perfect budget smartwatch can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. But don't worry, we've done the homework for you. From tracking your workouts to monitoring your sleep, these smartwatches prove you don't need to spend hundreds to get impressive performance. Welcome to Top Tech Now, where we help you discover the best tech without the guesswork. All the product links you'll need are right in the description, along with the best prices we could find. Today, we're counting down the top 5 budget smartwatches that deliver serious value. These picks aren't ranked in any particular order, but each one shines in its own way. Whether you're an activity enthusiast, a fitness fanatic, or just someone who wants smart features without the premium price tag, we've got the perfect match for you. Let's dive in. Kicking things off with the CMF Watch Pro 2, which stands out as an excellent choice for anyone who wants comprehensive activity tracking wrapped in a stylish package. This smartwatch immediately grabs your attention with its unique modular design featuring interchangeable bezels. You can actually twist off the bezel and swap it for a different look, giving you customization options rarely seen at this price point. The display alone makes this watch feel premium. You get a vibrant 1.32-inch AMOLED screen with sharp visuals that stay readable even outdoors, though it could be a bit brighter in direct sunlight. What really sets it apart is the functional rotating crown, with that distinctive orange accent. It's not just for show, you can actually use it to scroll through menus and control volume even when your fingers are wet. When it comes to fitness, the Watch Pro 2 delivers 120 sports modes with automatic detection for 5 common activities, plus built-in GPS for tracking your runs and rides without your phone. The health tracking is solid, monitoring your heart rate around the clock, tracking blood oxygen levels, and providing detailed sleep insights. One standout feature is the battery life. You're looking at a genuine 10 to 12 days on a single charge with regular use, and there's even an ultra power-saving mode that stretches things to 40 days if you just need basic timekeeping. The only real limitation is the IP68 rating means you shouldn't take it swimming, and the proprietary operating system lacks the polish of more established platforms. You won't find third-party apps or NFC payments here, but for basic smartwatch functions like notifications, Bluetooth calling with AI noise reduction, and music controls, it handles everything smoothly. Best for anyone who wants an activity-focused smartwatch with impressive battery life and unique, customizable style, because it delivers premium features and build quality at a fraction of the typical cost. Moving to something with an even bigger screen, the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Lite brings a massive 1.96-inch AMOLED display that makes everything incredibly easy to read. This is one of the largest screens you'll find on a budget smartwatch, and it's bright enough at 1200 nits to stay visible even in harsh sunlight, though you'll need to adjust brightness manually since auto brightness isn't included. The lightweight design is a real winner here. It weighs just 29 grams, making it comfortable enough to wear all day and night without even noticing it's there. The square shape feels modern, and the NCVM plastic construction gives it a premium metallic look and feel that punches above its weight class. Where the Watch 5 Lite really shines is fitness tracking versatility. You get over 150 sports modes covering everything from running and cycling to yoga and swimming, thanks to its 5 ATM water resistance. The built-in GNSS system with 5 satellite positioning systems means accurate GPS tracking without draining your phone's battery. The dual mic setup with noise reduction makes Bluetooth calls surprisingly clear, and you can store up to 30 contacts directly on the watch. Battery performance is exceptional. You're looking at up to 18 days on a single charge with typical use, or around 12 days even with the always-on display enabled and continuous health monitoring active. The fast charging brings you back to full in about 90 minutes, and a quick 5-minute charge gives you a couple extra days. The Health Suite covers all the basics with continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep analysis, and stress level monitoring. While it lacks some advanced features like ECG or temperature sensors, it provides more than enough data for most people to stay on top of their wellness. Best for budget-conscious buyers who want a large, readable display and extended battery life with comprehensive fitness tracking, because it delivers premium features and all-day comfort at an incredibly accessible price point. Switching gears to a more fitness-focused option, the Fitbit Versa 4 brings Fitbit's trusted health tracking expertise to a smartwatch form. This device sits somewhere between a fitness tracker and a full smartwatch, giving you the best of both worlds with its polished interface and comprehensive wellness features. The design is instantly recognizable with that squircle shape and lightweight aluminum construction that sits flush against your wrist. The 1.58-inch AMOLED display is sharp and colorful, making it easy to read your stats at a glance. One improvement over the previous model is the return of a physical side button. It's much easier to use than the old capacitive touch version. Where the Versa 4 truly excels is fitness and health tracking. You get over 40 exercise modes with built-in GPS for accurate outdoor tracking, plus Fitbit's excellent Active Zone Minutes feature that helps you hit the WHO's recommended 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly. The sleep tracking is particularly impressive, providing detailed insights into your sleep stages and even assigning you an animal that represents your sleep profile each month. The 24/7 heart rate monitoring is reliable at rest and during moderate activity, tracking your daily readiness score to help you decide if you're ready to push hard or need recovery. Blood oxygen monitoring and stress tracking round out the health suite. Battery life delivers a solid 6 days between charges, which is respectable for an AMOLED display. Now, there are some trade-offs here. Third-party app support has been removed entirely, and you can't store music on the watch or control music playback from your phone. The heart rate tracking can lag slightly during high-intensity workouts. Think of this more as a premium fitness tracker than a full-featured smartwatch. You get notifications, Alexa voice assistant, and Fitbit Pay, but that's about it for smart features. Best for fitness enthusiasts who prioritize accurate health tracking and sleep analysis over smart features because it delivers Fitbit's proven wellness insights with excellent battery life in a comfortable, stylish package. Just a quick reminder, if any of these smartwatches have caught your eye, check out the description below for links to the best prices on all the models we're featuring today. For something with a truly premium look and feel, the Huawei Watch FIT 3 combines Apple Watch-inspired design with surprisingly powerful features. At just 9.9 millimeters thick and weighing only 26 grams, this is one of the lightest, most comfortable smartwatches you'll wear. The aluminum alloy construction feels solid, and that rotating crown with the physical button gives you tactile control that works even with wet fingers. The display is stunning, a 1.82-inch AMOLED screen with an impressive 1500 nits peak brightness and 60 Hz refresh rate. The ultra-narrow bezels give you a 77.4% screen-to-body ratio, creating an immersive visual experience that stays crystal clear even in direct sunlight. The always-on display mode is available if you're willing to sacrifice some battery life. Fitness tracking is comprehensive with over 100 workout modes, plus automatic detection for 6 types of exercises. The track run mode uses high-precision GPS to calibrate lap distance and map your routes, while exclusive warm-up and cool-down animations with audio guidance help you exercise properly. The activity ring system tracks your move, exercise, and stand goals with real-time reminders to keep you motivated. Health monitoring is equally robust with Huawei's TrueScene 5.5 technology providing accurate heart rate tracking that matches professional-grade devices. The upgraded TrueSleep 4.0 system offers detailed sleep insights, including nap detection that can wake you after 30 minutes to prevent those groggy, oversleeping sessions. You also get SpO2 monitoring, stress tracking with guided breathing exercises, and comprehensive women's health features including cycle tracking. Battery life is exceptional, up to 10 days with typical use, and in testing, users consistently achieved that with daily workouts, continuous health monitoring, and always-on display enabled. A quick 10-minute charge gives you a full day of use when you're in a pinch. The smartwatch features include Bluetooth calling with quality speakers and microphone, music playback with storage for about 300 songs, notification support, weather updates, and more. The one limitation is NFC payments currently only work in China, so don't count on wireless payments elsewhere. Best for style-conscious users who want Apple Watch aesthetics with incredible battery life and comprehensive health tracking, because it delivers premium features and build quality at a fraction of Apple's price while working with both iPhone and Android. Wrapping up with our final pick, the Amazfit Bip 6 delivers remarkable value as an everyday smartwatch that seamlessly blends fitness tracking with smart features. This is a watch that looks and feels way more expensive than its price tag suggests, with its aluminum alloy frame and sleek square design that sits flush on your wrist without any bulk. The star of the show is the massive 1.97-inch AMOLED display, one of the largest you'll find on any smartwatch at this price. With peak brightness reaching 2000 nits and excellent contrast, this screen stays readable in any lighting condition. The display upgrades from the previous generation make a huge difference in overall user experience. Fitness capabilities are extensive with over 140 workout modes, covering everything from running and cycling to specialized options like Hyrox race tracking. The built-in GPS with support from 5 satellite systems locks on quickly and tracks accurately. while the Zepp Coach AI feature creates personalized training plans that adapt to your performance and recovery. You can even download free offline maps for turn-by-turn navigation during outdoor activities. Health monitoring runs around the clock with Amazfit's BioTracker 6.0 technology, providing precise tracking of heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, and breathing rate. The sleep tracking algorithm has been upgraded for higher accuracy than previous generations, giving you detailed insights into your sleep stages and quality. There's also cycle tracking for women's health management. Battery performance is outstanding. A solid 14 days with typical use, and even heavy users with continuous health monitoring, GPS workouts, and always-on display enabled can expect around 6 days between charges. The 340 mAh battery charges fully in about 2 hours. Smart features include Bluetooth calling and messaging, though you can only read incoming messages rather than reply to them. The AI food tracker using photo recognition is a neat addition, though the calorie counts aren't always perfect. Music can be downloaded directly to the watch, but there's no streaming support, which feels like a limitation given how everyone streams music these days. The watch integrates with popular third-party apps like Strava, Apple Health, Adidas Running, and Komoot. Best for budget-conscious users who want comprehensive fitness tracking with a large, premium display and impressive battery life, because it delivers features typically reserved for smartwatches costing 3 or 4 times as much while maintaining excellent build quality and performance. That wraps up our look at the best budget smartwatches you can buy right now. Each of these watches proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get impressive features, accurate tracking, and lasting battery life. If you found this helpful, give us a like and drop a comment letting us know which smartwatch caught your attention. All the links to the best prices for every model we mentioned are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.